Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Winnie Walter. I have cluster florals for this video today. I am using the In Bloom Eva's Favorite Flowers, using the Sending You with Evelyn Designs, and the Essential Cutaways Lena. We are going to start by blending Distress Oxides in Worn Lipstick and Raspberry Preserves. We're going to blend the darkest at the bottom and then blend up. I'm going to add that purple color Distress Oxide at the bottom and blend up without touching that light corner. I'm going to add some water flickers with my brush. And then when that is set, using some Gansai Tambi, I'm going to add some purple watercolor flickers. Now it's time to stamp the clusters. I'm going to begin by setting the leaves on the shape I want my flower clusters to be. I'm going to cut around these leaves, so setting the shape is important. Using the largest stamp from the In Bloom Eva's Favorite, I'm going to stamp those and then I'm going to add the layers. I'm going to fill in the empty spaces with the smaller flowers, and then I'm going to hand cut the entire cluster. Now that our cluster is done, we're going to go ahead and die cut a panel white cardstock using the Lena cutaway. I'm going to stamp the Sending You in black and then the giant hugs in that pink. I'm going to add some foam adhesive onto the panel and then adding my clusters again with some foam adhesive on the back of that. I'm going to trim the excess from the Lena cutaway panel, and to finish up I am adding Pretty Pink Posh clear jewels. Thank you so much for joining me today. You can make this in a variety of colors. I hope that if you've enjoyed the tutorial, please sign up on the YouTube channel. Subscribe to see more videos. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.